SmartLab prepares students for the future by building essential skills needed in academics and the workforce. Students collaborate on these projects, developing strong communication and teamwork skills that are vital in any professional setting. SmartLab immerses students in digital technology like coding platforms, 3D printing, and robotics, helping them become proficient with tools they'll encounter in many future careers. The focus on STEM subjects equips students with solid foundation in science and technology while encouraging a flexible, self-directed approach to learning. By tackling new challenges in an ever-evolving tech environment, students become lifelong learners who are prepared to adapt to future innovations and succeed in a wide range of fields. SmartLab is an interactive, project-based learning environment that combines cutting-edge technology with hands-on, inquiry-driven learning. Students will work with tools such as robotics and control technology, manufacturing technology, circuitry, and scientific data to tackle real-world projects that build critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration skills. So one of the unique aspects of SmartLab is its emphasis on self-directed learning. Students set their own goals, choose projects, and work at their own pace, which encourages independence and a sense of ownership over their education. By working on real-world challenges, students not only develop foundational knowledge in high-demand STEM fields, but also gain essential 21st century skills like adaptability, digital literacy, and resilience, preparing them for future careers in a rapidly changing world.
This investment in our students aligns with our district strategic plan as well as the state strategic plan. The Superintendent, Board of Education, Office of Teaching and Learning, and District understands that SmartLabs give our students STEM access, hands-on learning opportunities to promote critical thinking and engage in student-led project-based learning, creating dynamic opportunities for college and career readiness and our future workforce.